The Tortoise and the Hare. Slow and steady wins the race. A long time ago, there lived a hare. He was the fastest runner in the city. He won all the races and became more arrogant every time he won another race. "I cannot lose," he said happily. "I have won every race against every animal in the city." All the animals in the city were annoyed to hear him say this every day, until a wise tortoise walked up to the hare. "I would like to race you," the tortoise said. The hare looked at the tortoise and laughed. Many animals laughed with him. "You want to race me? Do you think you can win?" the hare replied with a mean smile. "I would not ask you to race me if I thought I couldn't win," the tortoise said to the hare. The hare agreed to the race, feeling confident that he would win without trouble. So the city of animals came down to watch the race between the tortoise and the hare. The tortoise and the hare stood at the starting line and waited for the race to start. "You have no chance," the hare said to the tortoise, but the tortoise ignored him. Then the race started, and the hare ran as fast as he could to the finish line. But just before crossing, he looked back. The tortoise was nowhere close. So he ran back to the start line and laughed when he saw the tortoise move slowly forward. But again the tortoise ignored the hare and walked at his own pace. Now the hare ran around the tortoise, teasing him about losing. "Look how slow you are," the hare laughed. "How can you win?" The hare continued to run around him until he got bored. Then the hare ran in front of the tortoise and found a comfortable tree. "I could nap here, and I could still win," he thought, with too much confidence. So the hare slept under the tree for so long that he woke up to the sound of the animals cheering. "Oh no, the race!" Then he looked at the finish line and saw the tortoise there with all the animals. In a hurry, he ran as quickly as he could to the finish line, but lost to the tortoise by 1 second. The animals celebrated with the tortoise's win, cheering, "Congratulations!" The friendly tortoise smiled to the hare. Slow and steady wins the race.